Really, Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, and Guru is Mahesh. And Guru is all in all. To show the importance of Guru, there is a play, there is a drama, there is one act play in your book, and the name of the play is The Stone Guru. Today we are going to read The Stone Guru. Actually, this is a drama, or you can say one act play. This one act play is related to Eklavya. Guru Dronacharya is teaching archery to Pandavas and Kauravas, and when Guru Dronacharya is teaching Pandavas and Kauravas, that very time Eklavya enters the scene. Eklavya says, Namaste Gurudev. Guru means Guru Dronacharya says, Namaste, come near, young man. Eklavya says, thank you. Guru, who are you? Eklavya, I am Eklavya. Guru, Eklavya, very good. Eklavya, I wanted to see you, Gurudev. Guru, where do you live in? Eklavya, I live in the forest nearby. I know you are the greatest teacher of archery. Guru, thanks. Why have you come here? What do you want? Eklavya, I want to be the greatest archer of this world. It is possible only in your guidance, Gurudev. Guru, this is the purpose of your coming here? Eklavya, yes, Gurudev. I want to be your disciple. Give me blessing. Guru, may God bless you. Do you know anything about archery? Eklavya, why not? If you give me permission, I will show you my performance. Guru Dronacharya, can you hit that target? Eklavya, of course, Gurudev. Taking the aim. Jai Gurudev. Guru, bravo. Well done. Really, you are a very good archer. You hit the target at your first attempt. Eklavya, will you teach me? Guru, yes, I will teach you, but there is a condition for it. Eklavya, condition? What is the condition? Guru, I teach only the royal princess, but I don't know about you at all. Eklavya, I am a loyally tribal. Guru, oh, then I can do nothing for you. You should search another Guru. Eklavya, no problem, Gurudev. Whether you accept me, your disciple or not, you will always remain my Guru. Now, scene 2. Guru is busy in teaching princess. A dog comes there running with its mouth full of arrow. Arjuna, what a wonderful shot. Guru, what happened? What is the matter? What are you talking about? See, Gurudev, That dog's mouth is full of arrows, and there is not a single drop of blood. Guru, amazing. Who has done it? Arjuna, I don't know, but he must be a great archer. I have never seen such a wonderful shot in my life. I can't understand how it is possible. Guru, yes, you are absolutely right, Arjuna. It is a result of great patience and regular practice. He must have the perfect control over his bow and arrow. Arjuna, who is that person, Gurudev? Guru, he must be nearby. Let's search him. All set out and reach that part of jungle where Eklavya is practicing. There is a stone statue of Dronacharya. There, Eklavya. Welcome. Welcome, Gurudev. Guru, thanks. You are Eklavya? Once you had come to me? Yes, Gurudev. Guru, you have shot the arrows in the dog's mouth. Eklavya. Yes, Gurudev. It was disturbing me in my practice. Guru, how did you learn archery? Eklavya. It is all your grace, Gurudev. My grace? I didn't understand. Who is your teacher? You are my teacher. Guru, I am your teacher? What are you saying? I had refused to teach you. Eklavya, pointing towards the statue. Please look at the statue. You are present here. I shot an arrow after taking your permission and guidance. I bless you, my son. Eklavya, it is my pleasure. You visited my cottage. It is the happiest moment of my life. What can I do for you, Gurudev? Guru, you have accepted me, your Guru? Eklavya, yes. Guru, you will have to pass in my test. Eklavya, what do you expect from me? I shall fulfill it at any cost. Guru, I want my Guru Dakshina. Are you ready for it? Eklavya, I am ready. I can sacrifice my life for you. Guru, no need to sacrifice your life. I want only your right thumb as my Dakshina. Eklavya, cutting his thumb with arrow. I offer my thumb at your feet. Gurudev, the curtain falls. In this way, the drama ends. Eklavya offers his thumb at the feet of Gurudev. This was the Guru Bhakti of Eklavya for his. It is said that Guru Gobind dou khade काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपनो गोविंद दियो बचाए बताए. So Guru is the greatest one in this world, and it was proved by Eklavya. He devoted himself for Guru, and he offered his thumb, right thumb, which was very necessary for archery. In this way, Eklavya became famous in the history of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.